Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to add your high school to your Facebook profile using the Facebook app on your PC following the latest update. Whether you want to reconnect with old classmates or simply keep your profile up to date, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking your profile photo, you'll be taken directly to your profile page. Here, you'll find several options to customize your information. Look for the About section, which is usually located beneath your cover photo or in the menu on the left side of your profile. Click on About to continue. Now, you'll see a list of different sections you can edit about yourself. Find and click on Work and Education. This is where you can add details about your job history, university, and of course, your high school. To add your high school, look for the option that says Add Secondary School. Click on it, and a form will appear where you can enter your school's name and other details, such as the years you attended or any activities you participated in. Take your time to fill in the fields accurately. Once you've entered all the information, double-check to make sure everything looks good. When you're ready, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. Your high school will now be added to your Facebook profile, and your friends will be able to see this new update. That's all there is to it. Keeping your profile updated is a great way to stay connected and share your story. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.